Want your DTF prints to be more colorful and natural? Try neoStampa. Supports multicolor and fluorescent designs. No white ink channel needed. Direct print saves time. Rich colors, natural transitions, and outstanding fluorescent effects. neoStampa software operation. Open neoStampa. First, click New Job, Garment. Then, import the design file. In Print Model, select White and click Save. Click White, Effect Layers, set Channel to White and Method to Flat. Click here and wait for the file to generate. Finally, click Print and wait for RIP to complete. Fluorescent colors gradually appear with smooth color transitions. Use a heat press to transfer the design onto the fabric. Simple, efficient, and fast. Fluorescent colors look more natural, smoother, and more premium. With neoStampa, multicolor plus fluorescence makes professional DTF printing easy.